Guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to become an affiliate with Amazon and showing you how much they paid me while I partnered with them. So stick with me in this video. It's going to be very step by step, and I'm also going to be introducing a program that you can partner up with that can get you $1,000 commissions. So here we go. First off, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to Google Amazon affiliate. So we'll go to google.com, and the beauty of it is if you are a Spanish speaker or if you're bilingual, you can do this in Spanish as well. So we're gonna look up Amazon affiliate, and if you go to that first tab right there, you're gonna land on this page. Now you can see right here you can sign up right away, and the process is pretty straightforward. It's just gonna ask you to create an Amazon account. It's gonna be asking you personal details, name, address, and it's just for them. It's just for legal reasons, so whenever somebody actually clicks through your links, you can get paid and they can report it. So this is the basic setup right here. You sign up to become an affiliate with Amazon, you recommend their products, and you can earn money. The beauty of it is you do not need to buy any product. In order to promote these products, you don't even have to buy any of it. You can just simply get the affiliate link that they give you, create content about it, and get paid. And I'm going to show you a few examples of how people are using this right now. So I just want to clarify, with Amazon, you can get paid up to 10% commissions on any product somebody purchases. So if somebody buys a product that you recommend for $100, you'll make 10% of that. Now, not saying every product will do that. Amazon will pay some 2 or 3%, which is pretty low in my opinion. And the reason is because they are dealing with physical products. When you have physical products, more people are likely to return the product compared to digital. So again, if you want to check out a digital product that could earn you $1,000 or more, check out the link in the description right now. So let's keep going. Again, sign up with them. It's very step by step. It's very free. And I'm going to show you a little example of pretty much how it looks like using this other website. So basically, you'll be able to find any product that you want. So let's say I found these pair of glasses on Amazon. I could find the product on my affiliate back page, and they'll give me my special code just like what I'm going to show you right here. So if I go here to Home and Garden, and I want to promote this product, this is exactly how it's going to be on Amazon. You're just going to click promote. Boom. You're going to enter your little nickname, and this will be your affiliate link. So anyone that goes through that affiliate link and makes a purchase, you will make a commission, or basically a piece of the pie. So that includes if there's a front end sale, that includes if there's upsells as well. So if somebody pays $5 on the front and pays $25 on the back end, after that on any upsell, you will still make money because you are the person that recommended that product to them. The beauty of it is you don't have to lift any extra fingers. If somebody buys, again, these glasses, you don't have to physically ship out that product. You don't have to deal with any returns, nothing. Amazon will deal with all of it. That is what I love about it. So with that being said, I'm going to go to TikTok, okay? Because I want to show you examples of people that are doing it. Because you may be asking, okay, now that I have this link, how do I bring traffic? How do I get eyeballs on these offers? Okay, this is where many people struggle. They don't know where, they don't know how to get eyeballs on these offers. Let's go to TikTok. Let this page load up. And all I'm going to do is go to the search bar, and I'm just going to type up Amazon. There are Amazon accounts, but there are also people who have created content about Amazon products. So let's see here. I am just going to check out some pages here, see which one stands out to me a little bit more. Let's see. Okay, this one, 4.3 million. Let's check it out. Basically, you can see a few things here. One, they're just showing the product. They're showing how it works. They're showing their experience dealing with it. They're not even showing their face. They're just doing a voice recording, a voice over. And with the TikTok video, it's easy. You can pull out your phone, start recording, and show people what it does. There you go. Simple. 25 seconds. 25 seconds is all it took. So she pulled out her phone, recorded, and did a voiceover using TikTok. Simple. It's very, very simple. Now, I'm betting that if I go to their webpage or their profile on TikTok, they're going to have links to this product. So I'm going to go here, Jet's Farmhouse. Let's check out what's going on here. What do they have on their link? Very nice. It leads me to basically a bunch of drops right here. Drain cleaning kit. I wonder if that was the same one, so let's check that out. If I click on there, where is it going to send me? To Amazon. To Amazon. So, let's go back. I want to see if I can find the actual product. Cleaning list. Let's see here. Oh, there we go. The pink stuff. There goes even the brushes that we're using. So, this is actually their little store. As you can see, that is their name. They are an affiliate with Amazon. They are partners with Amazon. So, if I were to click on this product right here, and I make a purchase just because she recommended it to me, she would get a commission. She would make a commission on this plus anything else I buy after this because she was the one that brought me in. So if I buy this and let's say I want to buy the rest of these products as well, she will still get paid a percentage of these products just because she brought me in without having to lift an extra finger or do any extra work. Amazon will take care of all of it. That is what an affiliate company does. There are thousands of affiliate companies out there. Target, Best Buy, Apple even has it. Nike, Under Armour. It's all over. A lot of the people on Amazon are affiliates. Some are drop shippers. Some are e-commerce. The only difference is they have to buy the inventory and spend on advertising. This way, you don't have to spend any money on advertising. You could create a video like they do. And their profile has tons of videos doing this. They're very simple. Let me see if I can pick another account here, just so you guys get a better idea of what I'm saying. Let's see. Things from Amazon. So, looks like there are household items. These may benefit a certain audience. Somebody, maybe a mom or a wife. Some dads. You never know. It could benefit someone. She knows who her audience is. She made a simple video again without showing her face. Just showing how the product works. Doing a voiceover. If I go to her profile, there's a link tree. She's going to have links to all of the products that she's making videos about. Now, she doesn't have to spend any money on advertising. She's just doing it on TikTok. And TikTok is just one of many platforms. Pinterest, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat. TikTok is one of the most powerful right now just because thousands and thousands of people are scrolling every day. Now, again, remember when I told you Amazon will pay you about 10% commissions? There are companies out there that will pay you 30, 40, 50, 75% commissions just for referring the product. And now you may be asking, which companies are those? Those are companies that deal with digital products, ebooks, educational programs. If you check out the link in the description, I'm going to be leaving the link to the one that helps me earn $1,000 commissions, and that company deals with everything. Once I lead somebody to that company, they have a sales team that helps the person. Any lead that goes through there, they help those people. So if you want, check it out. And if you like this video so far, drop the like button, please. If you haven't already, subscribe because I'm dropping videos almost every day to help you out. This is something I learned about while I worked as a school teacher. So if it worked for me after being scammed so many times, it could definitely work for you. Let's keep on going here, guys. Now, I can do this. Oh, I can do this for hours. I can show you so many examples. This is just Amazon. Now, you're probably wondering, how much did Amazon pay me? I mentioned that they only pay you like 2-3%, right? So, I recommended this book to people. I'm going to go to Amazon.com. I read this book. I thoroughly enjoyed it, so I became a partner with Amazon so I can recommend this book to other people because I pretty much thought if it helped me, it can help other people. So I recommended this book. I did it using social media, so free advertising. About 30 people clicked on the link. About 6 people bought products. And it wasn't even the book. Some bought a car alarm, a screwdriver. I think another one was a nail polish kit. All, in total, they paid about $100 on Amazon. Those 6 people in total, altogether. $100 just buying random things. Again, they didn't even buy the book that I recommended. But I just sent them to Amazon through my link. So anything they bought after, I made a percentage. They spent about $100. I made $5.88. Is it a win? Yes. Now, is it life-changing? No. No. So Amazon is awesome. They are a big business, but they do not pay a lot of money to affiliates. Unless you're selling hundreds and thousands of products every day. If you're just getting one person to buy your product a day, you're not going to make a lot of money there. So I'm just giving my honest, real experience of what happened with me. It can be different for you. So yeah, I hope you found this video very beneficial. If you have, drop the like button. Again, if you want to check out the one that helps me gain $1,000, $1,300, check out the link in my bio. I'm going to leave it right down there for you because I know a lot of people are struggling. You can see how simple this process is. That company that you partner with just makes it a lot easier. So my name is Sergio. Again, if you like this video, drop a like. Please drop a comment on any thoughts you have so far or anything that you want to see. And if you haven't, please subscribe. I will see you next time.